To be honest, I've earned more than 10,000 with my smartphone in 5 years. All that amount of money, if I compile it. This money has helped me to do a lot of things. It has helped me to complement my salary. It has helped me to do any other thing that the salary would not have done. I bet you, if you're still depending on a salary it makes you keep in that stagnant state. It makes you keep in that state that you just run around the cycle. You know, you get the salary, you pay all your bills. I'm going to show you the platforms that has helped me together with my smartphone to make money. Yes, these platforms, I will also show you what exactly has brought me money out of these smartphones. But before that, this is Immaculate. You guys, I love you so much. This is the lady that says I cannot hold any smartphone irrespective of how much it is, and you beg for bread. No, allow me appreciate my engagers. You know, our fans, they are the reason that we come every day. Irrespective of how many fans you have, irrespective of how many people you engage, or they engage your post. Because imagine, most of you have dropped out because you don't have a bigger audience. You don't run 1,000 viewers or 10,000K. No, baby girl. Imagine the 100 views that you're getting on each post. Those are the people that you are talking to, even physically. Imagine that. That is a bigger audience. Thank you very much, my beautiful audience and royal ones. I love you so much. This is a mind-blowing video that is going to motivate someone out there. So don't touch the dial. A disclaimer and unline it. This video is not to make you feel that you're going to be rich in a day, or because you hold the smartphone, you come to social media, or you do what, you're going to be rich. No, it has almost only 10% or less than 10% of how to make money with your smartphone. The rest you look for them. So this video is for educational purposes majorly, not beyond that. Okay, so what are these platforms that have made me make millions of money in 4 years? What are they? The first platform is YouTube. YouTube is the platform that has made me money from the time I started YouTube. So what do I post on this YouTube? I post videos, I post shorts, I post posts and even text. But among all, what exactly gave me money on this platform? Majorly, I got from AdSense and subscription. If you want to know how you can get from subscription, put it in the comment section. But the 99.9% of the income on YouTube, I've gotten it from AdSense earning. That is content monetization, purely. No anything else, no shop, no selling, only that. Now, one of the things that motivated me to continue with YouTube is that I came to learn, irrespective of your numbers, irrespective of your audience, irrespective of your views, you will earn that money that you're looking for. So there are various things that we listed in our previous videos, our best practices if you want to make money on YouTube. Regardless of that narrative that is there of the views and of the followers and of the subscribers, you go and check the best practices. Irrespective of you having 100 views per video, 200, 1,000, do you earn money? Yes, you'll find it all there. Let's go to the second beautiful and lovely platform. It is Facebook. Facebook is one of the platform that I can't thank less. It has made me money in various ways, by the way, for it. Apart from unlike YouTube, Facebook has made me money with content monetization. It has made me money with marketplace where I sell products. It has made me money with subscription where people pay for subscription. It has made me money with gifts in form of stars. So this one has been a darling. You might be wondering exactly what do you post? How does the money come from Facebook? The money from Facebook has majorly come from content monetization. What do I put on Facebook that has brought me money? I specialize, by the way, in teaching or educational videos on how to earn money with your smartphone. So text has been one of the ways or one of the forms that has given me money with Facebook. Text. Reels has done wonderful. 3 videos are okay, they are doing well. Then I've also massively gotten money from stars. Stars are gifts like any other platforms. Gifts, people give you money, then it is converted into dollars. Then I've gotten money from my profile. My profile as in terms of story, the side of story. My story side has given me money. Without forgetting that this Facebook has given me money in a way that most people have even contacted me and have gotten royal brands. These are the things that have gained from here. So what do you think has kept me on Facebook? Why not say give up like other people and I go away from Facebook? What has kept me on Facebook is to know that I'm not posting for you. I mean, for my neighbor. I'm not posting for my friends, for my sisters, for my village mate. No. I'm posting for someone out there that wants a solution. That's what has kept me on Facebook. Let me give you the third platform that has given me money. However, it is the least. For it, I can give it like 10% of the income I've earned on social media or on money making is just least. That is TikTok. At TikTok, I think I've earned around like $300 since I joined TikTok. The reason is one, because I'm in a place I had not known how to change my account or how to get my account from a country that is monetized as far as content is concerned. So I've gotten major money from gifts. Now, what do you think? Do you want to make money using your smartphone? Yes. Now, the fourth one, why I brought it the fourth, these are apps. And this is the first platform that I did $1 from. When I withdraw from this platform $1, I came to know there is money. It's not a joke. This platform is called Paid Work in these 5 years. Paid Work is one of the platforms that is very good for beginners. If you want to gauge yourself and you want to really confirm that there's money on social media or on platforms with using money. So this Paid Work, how did I get the money I got? I got this money in the first year of me coming to make money online. Paid Work, I used to make surveys. I used to watch ads. I used to complete tasks. There are companies that are there waiting for you to do the tasks, to do surveys, and they give you money. Why did I say I use it past tense? Because it is for beginners. It gives you, it's good for school the people who are going to school, students. It's good for people who are there, instead of watching movies, you decide to go for this. It gives you some small money that will keep you moving. So guys, these are the platforms that have given me enough money with my smartphone. Do you copy this? Can you give us your experience? If you know you have been earning money with your smartphone, let's know. How have you done it?